Okay, so what if you already have a career and a family, but you want a new career? Meet Zareen, a physician assistant and mother of two who's getting top training in her profession. Despite having very little free time, she's getting her master's in healthcare administration from the Robert B. Williamson School of Business. Her story is very compelling, how she is balancing work and family. Zareen, over to you.
Hi, Alex. Thank you for giving the opportunity to share my story. I lost both my parents at a very young age in Pakistan. I was raised in East Africa, Tanzania. Even at a young age, I knew I wanted to be in healthcare. So now I currently practice as a cardiothoracic physician assistant. I love the Adelphi University MBA program. It is designed to help everyone succeed, especially being a mother of two beautiful kids and a wife and working full-time in cardiothoracic service. I was able to work with the university taking weekend classes. The best part of being an MBA is networking with teammates from all other professional fields. While completing my MBA, I was offered a leadership role at St. Francis Hospital Heart Center. I also won Eileen McDonald Scholarship and a trip to Germany. After my MBA, I'm planning to proceed my studies even further. I will definitely be able to teach in any PA program with the experience I now have. I want to pass this message to my kids and every student out there. It doesn't matter what religion, what skin color, or what nationality you have. If you put your 110% in an education, you will never regret it. This is my story. Back to you, Alex.
I'm blown away by your story, Zareen. It's so inspiring to hear how you're able to do it all. You're setting a great example for your kids and for all of us. When it comes to the professions like business, education, and social work, Adelphi is changing lives. Thanks again for that.